Now, you can do your ocean waves again. There's another technique that I kind of like called praying hands. So you put your hands together like this, and you release your finger, and then you lift the tissue with the heel of your palm. Now, when you're working on the knees, I want you to just kind of do a nice long circle around. Make sure you're hitting that medial, the tibial lateral ligament. And then spend just a minute here at the tibial tuberosity where the quads insert. Now, again, you can do C-strip when you're on the leg, right? This is like this thigh. When you're on the leg, you're mostly tibia here. So I have a tendency to kind of reach under and do some pulls and incorporate that way. And then if you've got somebody who's got shin splints or who's exercising a good bit, I want you to stay lateral of the tibia and just run your fingers up between the tibia and the fibula.